Jai Hind students, welcome to online class of Shri Ram Public School. In the previous class, I will explain chapter 19. Now today we start chapter 20, volume surface area of solids. Volume surface area of solids. Then what is solid, what is volume, what is surface area, then solids. Solid bodies have different shape. Solid bodies have different shape are called the solid. Definite shape is called the solid. Space occupied by the solid, that space occupied by the solid, that is the volume. And some solid shapes like cube, cuboid, cylinder, etc. Then what is the cube, cuboid? I was explained in the previous chapter. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Same number of edges and vertices in cuboid also. And they have in cuboid have rectangular faces, but in the square have the equal faces, square faces. Then volume. First is the volume. In this chapter is based on the volume of cube and cuboid. This first exercise, that is based on the volume of cube and cuboid. Then volume of cube, volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Volume of cube and volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid, it means student length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. L means length, B means width, H means height. Clear? Here I write the short form. Suppose क्यूब में क्या होगा, सब all are equal, लेंथ भी सेम होगी, ब्रेथ भी सेम होगी, हाइट भी सेम होगी. तो सपोज वन साइड उसकी लेंथ क्या है, a है. अगर हम लेंथ को a ले लें तो a इंटू a इट मीन्स a क्यूब, बिकॉज ऑल आर सेम. व्हाट इज द a? a इज द साइड ऑफ द क्यूब. एक साइड अगर उसकी a होगी तो आगे क्या हो जाएगी, a हो गई. इट मीन्स लेंथ, ब्रेथ और हाइट सब a ही हो जाएगी. एंड दैट इज द a क्यूब. क्लियर? देखिए सेम हियर गिवन. Is some conversion units also given, student? Conversion unit is the most important. This is used in the questions. Then learn the conversion units. First of all, learn the conversion units. Very easy conversion here: centimeter to millimeter, decimeter to centimeter, meter to decimeter, and meter to centimeter. Learn the all conversion units. Next, volume I was explained. Volume of cuboid equals to, here same in the given in your book. Volume of cuboid equals to length into breadth into height equals to L into breadth, B into H, and the volume of cube, A cube. Next, the diagonal of cuboid and the diagonal of cube. Diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of cuboid equals to under root L square plus B square plus H square. Diagonal of cuboid equals to L square plus B square plus H square. And diagonal of cube, diagonal of cube, diagonal of cube equals to under root B. Diagonal of cuboid equals to L square plus B square plus H square, and diagonal of cube equals to under root 3a. Next topic is the total surface area and lateral surface area. That is the most important. Here, total surface area and lateral surface area. Total surface area of cube and total surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Total surface area. If we count the number of 6 faces, so it means L into B plus B into H into L. Again it's repeated because the 6 spaces, one front, one back. Then again L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Again L into B plus B into H plus L into H बोलिए H into L. अब देखिए L पे डबल टाइम्स, BH डबल टाइम, HL डबल टाइम. इट मीन ये दिस इज द सेम 2 into LB प्लस 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. 2 into LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. All are the double time. 2 into LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. अब सपोज हम 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus BH plus HL. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL बोलिए या LH बोलिए. Clear? And the same here in the cube, total surface area is total surface area of cube equals to 6a square. Total surface area of cube equals to 6a square. What is the a? Is the side, and the again lateral surface area next lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. It means that is the 2 into L plus B into H. Lateral surface area of cuboid 2 into L plus B into H. And lateral surface area of cube equals to 4a square. Here, got it? Now units also compulsory. If suppose question in meter, then use meter square, centimeter, then centimeter square. If suppose volume in cube, then centimeter cube, meter cube, etc. Now students learn these formulas, and question is based on the formulas and conversion units. Now exercise 20a, some question I will explain. Try to solve. Find the volume, lateral surface area and total surface area of the cuboid whose dimension is given. अब सपोज हमें क्या निकालना है, यहाँ पे क्यूबॉइड का वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है, lateral surface area and total surface area. All are given. If length, breadth and height given है तो हम क्या करेंगे, फार्मूले पे वैल्यूज पुट अप करेंगे and only do the calculation. That is a simple calculation that is based on the formula. वॉल्यूम के लिए हम तीनों यूनिट्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, L इंटू बी इंटू एच करेंगे. टोटल सरफेस एरिया के लिए 2 इंटू एल बी प्लस बी एच प्लस एच एल करेंगे. ये फार्मूले पे वैल्यूज पुट अप करेंगे. एंड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट सेकेंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ईच पार्ट. क्वेश्चन सेकेंड ऑल्सो द डायमेंशन ऑफ द रेक्टेंगुलर वाटर टैंक. दिस इज हियर कन्वर्जन यूज. Here, try to solve and solve question 1 to 5. Try to solve. When you have doubt, ask in evening class. Otherwise, I will continue the same exercise in the next class. Clear? Thank you everyone. When you have doubt, ask in evening class.